settle this beef.
Alright guys, so we're gonna play gorilla tag but on mobile. So the app is called Monkey Tag. So you wanna join a room, go Monkey Tag.
I wish I could walk through here.
Ayo, editor, blur this out, blur this out, blur this out, it's gonna be righted. But in Monkey Tag, we are going to chase monkeys. So when monkeys go flying, they will skibbity. You are a monkey with us, so if I'm a tagger, you're a tagger. User 3333 something 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 is tagger. So skibbity, we will have to run with you guys. Tell us what do skibbity if we go Ohio. Skibbity is Ohio, so skibbity toilet around on the skibbity. So I'm gonna be quiet now and climb up ropes and try tagging skibbity toilets. When the skibbity toilets get tagged, they will be Ohio. So when the Ohio goes flying, don't Ohio. I'm gonna eat everybody. Doing gorillas. Now I will be running from the lava monkeys. Guys, they are not lava. They are water. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh yeah. Nobody can get me. Why do I have feet? Why do I have feet?
About to play some Jenga? Yeah. It keeps moving if the whole bus is moving.
Oh, yes. Skibbity. So when I skibbity, I'll bum bum. When I bum bum, I will skibbity. When I skibbity, I will Ohio. When I Ohio, the skibbity will come.
So go to www.speakable.com right now to get it because it's going to sell out.
Skibbity! Oh yes. Skibbity's so goated. Oh my gosh, Skibbity. Oh, get juked. Oh, I'm goated. I'm too good.
James seems to be the worst. Are you good? I'm good.
The skibbity. Ah.
Suddenly Omar hit us with an unscheduled pit stop. Omar, where are we? Are you getting food? These are all restaurants.
Skibbity. That's it for today's video.